Have you ever thought about befriending a fly? Perhaps it sounds like a peculiar idea to most, but today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of insects and how you can turn these tiny creatures, especially flies, into companionship. Step 1. Understand the fly. It's crucial to know that flies aren't your average pet. They're small, quick, and have a notably short lifespan. Their biology and behavior are vastly different from the pets we're accustomed to. So, the first step to befriending a fly is to learn about them. Study their habits, their life cycle, and their needs. A well-informed friend is always a better friend, isn't that right? Step 2. Create a habitable environment. Flies need a suitable place to live. This doesn't mean you should start piling garbage in a corner of your house. A controlled environment like a terrarium can work wonders. Ensure it's spacious, clean, and has the necessities for a fly's survival. Sources of food and water, places to rest, and a suitable temperature. Step 3. Provide proper nutrition. Flies are not picky eaters. They're attracted to a variety of foods, especially those that are sweet or rotting. However, for your pet fly's health, you should provide a balanced diet. Small pieces of fruit, nectar, or other sweet, non-harmful substances can be an excellent source of nutrition. Step 4. Exercise patience. Befriending a fly isn't an instant process. It takes time and patience, as these creatures are naturally wary. Do not make any sudden movements around them, as it might scare them off. Be patient and give them time to get accustomed to your presence. Step 5. Gradual interaction. Once the fly is comfortable in its environment, you can start interacting with it. This could be as simple as letting it land on your hand or finger. Remember, the key is to be gentle and patient. Step 6. Maintain the environment. Keeping the fly's environment clean and comfortable is crucial. Regularly clean the terrarium, provide fresh food, and ensure the temperature is always right. And there you have it. Befriending a fly can give your life a deeper meaning for a few weeks. Having a friend who will listen to you for hours is indeed one of the best things you can have. And even though your fly friend will eventually die, you'll always cherish the special time you spent together.